Welcome back, 38 gang. It's your boy Slushy Student, man. Look though, got these boxes. I know y'all seen that last video where I showed y'all my freshly painted rims and calipers, but in that video I did show, you know, my strut brace towers or whatever. So now we about to show y'all how to install them, man. So stay tuned for the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe if y'all new to the channel. Share these videos. And I hope y'all enjoy that intro, guys. But man, let's get into this. I ain't even gonna talk a lot this one. I'm gonna speed a lot of stuff up in this video because I don't wanna like have a lot of downtime. But I hope you guys enjoy and thank you once again. Let's go.
Just clips in there, watch your lips in there. Before I make this 40 disappear, make it disappear. Yeah.
This that kill switch. Only thing I rap about is real shit. All these I can't deal with. It's gonna make my shooters do it real quick. Have my shooter band. I'ma have my man.
What's up, 38 gang? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Looking like utility work.
All right, guys. I don't know. Y'all want a cold start? I normally do that. I ain't gonna give y'all a cold start today. But I gotta pop the hood and I'm gonna talk about what tools I'm using. I'm gonna start with the front strut brace tower. These things help with like steering and the roll of the car when you hitting crazy turns, and maybe if you was like doing donuts or something. Helps the car stay. It keeps it out of that rolling, so it helps the car stay steady and straight. If that makes sense. I was looking for my box cutter. All right, so my main thing is, I got the box cutter because I want to open this up and show y'all real quick, but I did want to pop the hood so y'all can see what's under there. It's a few mods. We got an oil catch can, aftermarket, cold air intake. We got RIP supercharger, high performance coil packs. I'm trying to get a throttle body soon, and I also have a RGB halo underglow kit. That's all I got under the hood so far, and then now we're about to have this front strut tower brace. I don't even know which one is the front, but I'm about to open them both up so I can actually I think this one's the front because this is the one that I opened up in the last video, yeah. So I don't even need this. I just want to open them up so I can try to get like a thumbnail or something and show y'all both of them at the same time. And I got trash. I know I'm about to have trash. So guys, I'm gonna say this right now. I chose red. The other colors they did have was powder, black powder coated. This is the red powder coated. I chose red because I just wanted to bring a little appeal to the car. I didn't want everything to be like black. So it just gives the car a little bit more color. Plus I got some red accents already on the car, red calibers, you know what I'm saying? So this is just gonna give it a little bit more of a feel to the car. I gotta be careful because I don't want to drop this on the ground. Okay, they could have sent me some free merch. Dang, this downtime I'm talking about. I don't want this. Ooh, Corvette. That was a nice little Corvette. Oh, see, this is how this one looked, the front. It's kind of heavy a little bit. I would say this thing like 30, 40 pounds. But this thing, this is how it looks. Like I said before, I'm starting with the front because it's a little bit more simple. I didn't want to put the harder and longer part in the video first. I just wanted to get the front out. The packaging, like I say, is dope. Like, they ain't playing about this packaging, bro. Like, it's in there. Dang, look at that. Look, man, come on, man. Like, I'm making a mess out here. Damn. All right, hold on. Ooh, I like this red though. I ain't gonna cap. And they both match perfectly because it's by the same company. BMR is the brand I got. I got it from Summit Racing. Let me say that now because I didn't say that before. I'll leave that. I'll probably put that in the title. Who I got it from. All right, here we go. Let me hold this one up so y'all can see. This is the rear tower. I'm assuming it would go in there like Yeah, I think it would go like that in the back. So it would look like that. It would look like this. But yeah, this is how they both look. All right, 38 gang, I had to move the car. I actually changed my clothes because the sun came out. But I forgot I had these. I found them I painted these back when I got some touch-up paint for my car. And they going in here. So I ordered these little pins off of Amazon. That's how they look. And painted them. So I'm about to put them in and see how that go. We're gonna go with this one first. How they look and stuff. Y'all just leave some comments and let me know what y'all think. But now you can't even see the holes on camera. Like, there's no holes. So it just looks so much better. All right, so we're just gonna unbolting all these with a 13 socket. Yeah, that's all they gave me for this one. Just these nuts. These stairs. Dude, that thing looks so good in here. I just want to make sure it's seated properly first. I got it placed. Damn, man. All right, look, 38 gang, I got it all installed. Definitely looks good. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Tighten it all up and stuff. That's just me double checking it. It's on there really tight, so I like it. And I also like those fucking freaking bumpers plugs. Yep. All right, so now we just gotta do this trunk. I think you just pull this out. I've never done this before, guys, but I think you just pull this liner out. Yeah, I knew that had like the liner was on something. There we go. All right, we making some progress. Let me take this out. This thing dirty as hell. There we go. Try not to touch the car if I ain't got to. There we go. Got those two out. All right. Whew, that was some workout, man. Dang. Okay, guys. But the main, I bent it up. There we go. But look, I'm trying to fix it because I bent it up. But the main reasons why I'm doing this is because I want to show y'all I'm cutting and incision. Because when I put the rear strut tower brace in, it's gonna go through the hole, so it's clean. And y'all see what I mean. Here's my cut right here. So it should go in there real clean and be real smooth. If I need to cut more on the go, I will. So I'm gonna stick the bar iron in each one first. What side is this? This will go this way. So this on this side, and then we're gonna get the other one. got some dirt in it. Less vacuum in, the better. So, should I do it up here? It'll go in there like this. This is what it looks like. I had to put the liner like I showed y'all. So now I'm about to just put the bolts on and bolt them in. And the other side, I don't know if y'all can really see that on camera. That's the other side. All right, so I'll show y'all once it's more bolted in. That's it, everybody. Got it all installed. Got me sweating. Yep, that's all they wrote. Yep. That's how I look, y'all. So look, got it all installed. This how I look, man. It took for me to do the front and the back. It took about what, 2 hours, an hour and a half. Gotta clean my trunk out though, like vacuuming and stuff. But yeah, this is what it came out to be. I'll give y'all a tour. It's hitting with those rad calibers. It goes with the car a lot. I like it a lot. Yeah, my interior bay, my engine bay needs to be clean. I like it a lot. Gives it a little bit more. Gives it a little bit more oomph. And it's really on there too. I just want to shake it, but you can't shake it. So let's see how it feels. Now I gotta drive it and see how it feels. Like I said, I'm gonna give y'all an updated video on that stuff. If y'all didn't see the video on it where I installed the taser and unlocked my SRT pages all the way, that was like the last video I dropped before the red calibers and stuff. So stay tuned for more mods, y'all. We only going up from here. Like all that I want to get a rear differential and some E85, but tuning in Ohio, they charging like $1,200 just to tune. But I still got to get my PCM unlocked. I got a Diablo tuner. I got to send my PCM out for that. So I'm gonna make a video about me taking it out and sending it in and all that. Talk about my tuner and everything. But until I that'll probably be like one of the next things I do, so I can get my car tuned. At least be able to get some tunes to what I got on here now. So you know what I'm saying. But man, I hope y'all enjoying the content. Stay tuned for the next video, man. Like I said before, 38 gang, I appreciate all the support. And yeah, man, it's your boy Strut Student 38. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.